A new vehicle with a new name for a new generation. The Kia Carnival MPV pushes the boundaries of design, performance, and innovation. It's the opening salvo in a year-long product onslaught that includes the introduction of 5 all-new and significantly refreshed vehicles. It's the first vehicle in the US to wear the new Kia badge that was revealed globally last month. More than a logo, this is a statement about the future of the brand. In the same way that the K5 injected new life into the mid-size sedan segment, exceeding sales expectations and even bringing in trades from luxury brands, the Carnival MPV brings a fresh perspective to a category in need of disruption. Now, you won't hear us talking about expected competitors like Sienna or Odyssey, because here's the thing, we're trying something new. We didn't spend the last 5 years designing chiseled and rugged utility vehicles only to revert back to a typical rounded out form. Our wide range of light trucks, including the outgoing Sedona, now account for 62% of Kia's US sales volume. And it's not just because of the award-winning Telluride. Seltos blew past our expectations to become the 3rd fastest selling new vehicle in the US. And just like the Telluride, customers are already buying all new Sorrentos as dealers are unloading them off the trucks. Kia is the fastest growing mass market brand in the United States. This is momentum like we've never seen before. And we intend to keep it rolling with the Carnival MPV. The SUV-like design comes from our studio here in California, birthplace of the wildly popular Telluride, Soul, and more. Together with its high-tech refined interior, this MPV delivers an unexpected and undeniable combination of capability and modern luxury.
With every new SUV, Kia's lineup has taken a more rugged attitude inspired by the world around us. Not just the automotive world, but also in fashion and lifestyle. This cultural shift has only been reinforced by the pandemic. We're all being challenged to do it ourselves, whether it's home renovation or homeschooling. There's also a strong desire to get out into nature as a safe way to stay active, or to just get away from it all for a little while. The new Carnival MPV is the perfect vehicle for this moment, and we turned to Ken Chang to make it happen. At the time we started sketching, Ken may have seemed like an odd choice for the project. Young, newly engaged, no kids, but he's a cerebral guy, and he told me he wanted to create something cool for his future self to drive when the time was right. There was a time when vans had an inherent cool factor, driven by space for freedom and flexibility and comfort. The Carnival MPV brings the sentiment into the modern world, but adds smart and safe technology and Kia's signature boxy SUV style. The face is confident and contemporary. Check out these high-tech headlamps integrated with a bold geometric grille. Dramatic character lines on the hood and the bumper cement a high-tech look, while the metallic bumper garnish broadcasts luxury. On the side, chunky wheel arches give the body more volume. A bold cut line runs the length of the vehicle and links the front and rear lamps. The chrome-finished C-pillar extends around the rear and uses an eye-catching pattern you'll recognize in the interior as well. Large two-tone mirrors improve all-important visibility and provide a real presence, while black and chrome moldings on the bottom of the door create a refined appearance. We stretched the side chrome garnish to the end of the tailgate to enforce a sense of width and paired it with sleek combination lamps featuring geometric shapes. We combine thoughtful details like the rear wiper that elegantly tucks under the spoiler with bold SUV characteristics such as the rear skid plate garnish and reflectors for a perfect balance of strength and refinement.
I don't know how Michael and his team managed to make big, bold, and boxy, yet again, look so beautiful. But maybe even more impressive is how our engineers made it move. Best-in-class horsepower, lots of torque, and 3,500 pounds of towing capacity. The Carnival MPV is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Built on our new N3 platform, it's lighter, stronger, quieter, and more aerodynamic than ever. We've expanded the use of hot stamped components and ultra-high strength steel for increased stiffness. We put sound-absorbing and insulating materials everywhere and dialed in aerodynamic enhancements to the wheels, front bumper air curtain, and mirrors, all resulting in better fuel economy.
Inside, we've used sleek design elements and high-quality materials to create an elegant atmosphere. The center console takes on a premium futuristic image with high-gloss black materials. The panoramic dashboard includes an available 12.3-inch instrument cluster and an equally large infotainment system connected in a seamless curved design. A chrome line runs the length of the dash with slim metal air vents integrated just above. And the new Carnival MPV will come with 3 bold interior colors with details you'd only expect from a premium segment.
Elevated design is only half the story. There's a reason we call this a multi-purpose vehicle. The Kia Carnival MPV is built to handle whatever you and your crew have in mind. Flexibility on every level. Designed to make life easier before you even take a seat. Press and hold the unlock button on your smart key and every door opens. Or, if your hands are full, simply stand next to the sliding door with the key in your pocket for easy access to the cabin, your personal valet. Inside, configuring your high-tech lounge is easy. The 7 and 8 passenger options offer a ton of flexibility and best-in-class passenger room. Let's start with the 8-seater, which includes a long sliding center seat in the second row. This is key for those needing maximum flexibility. The center seat slides closer to the front, making it easier for parents to safely care for kids. Or you can turn it into a table with a tray area and 2 cup holders by folding the seat back forward. In the Carnival MPV, there's no such thing as wasted space. With nearly every trim, the second row seats are removable, and the third row easily disappears into the floor for best-in-class cargo space. And I'm not just talking about loading it up after a Costco run. The Carnival MPV will handle an entire sheet of plywood. Now maybe do-it-yourself isn't your thing, but you love a road trip. The available power-adjustable VIP lounge seats are the place to be. So much so that you might not want to leave. With a touch of a button, you'll be in the optimal resting position, so relaxed that even 4 hours of Kids Bop won't faze you. So that covers flexibility and comfort. But what makes this lounge area high-tech? It's all about thoughtful details designed to keep you connected that Kia customers have come to know and love. Personalized profiles, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless smartphone charging, multi-Bluetooth connectivity, up to 9 USB ports and 2 inverters, Bose premium sound system, and a whole lot of new features you didn't know you needed. The ability to safely keep an eye on your loved ones in the back seat, even at night. An intercom system that makes it easier for everyone to communicate. And quiet mode, because if 2020 taught us anything, it's the power of the mute button. The ability to control your environment with just the sound of your voice, even in the back rows. An entertainment system that plays all your favorite shows where everyone has the best seat in the house. And when you're ready to depart with arms full of gear for your latest adventure, a tailgate that automatically closes behind you.
Russell has touched on important safety features available in the cabin, but there are many Kia DriveWise technologies that come standard on the Carnival MPV. Driver attention warning, lane keeping and following assist, high beam assist, parking distance warning, forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot and rear cross traffic collision avoidance, rear occupant alert with ultrasonic sensor, and safe exit assist. Now these next features, in my humble opinion, are well worth the upgrade. The surround view monitor offers a 360-degree field of vision that makes navigating tight parking spots a breeze. The blind spot view monitor makes changing lanes safe and easy. Highway driving assist controls steering, acceleration, and deceleration to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead and help reduce driver fatigue. And navigation-based smart cruise control uses the onboard navigation system to anticipate curves in the road. Calming predictability. Couldn't we all use a little bit more of that right now? At Kia, we love surprises, but only when they're backed up by confidence-inspiring capability you can count on. The Carnival MPV defies expectations. SUV-like design, luxurious appointments, incredible flexibility. It's ready to meet and beat your every move. Checkmate. Thank you so much for your valuable time today. Of course, all of this information and additional assets are available at kiamedia.com. And please contact the Kia Product Communications team if you have any additional questions. Take care, but most importantly, stay safe.